What is the reality for a founder once every professional metric has been met?
When external validation reaches its ceiling, a leader is really forced to look at their life, what it means, what the significance of what they built really is. This is really an opportunity for a leader to shift their thinking from traditional achievement to a lasting imprint. I know that's something that I've looked at myself and I've faced, and it's what's brought me here. Is there's success on paper, and then there's internal significance, internal fulfillment. And that's often something that people think of as a later step. Once I achieve this next milestone, then I'll start thinking about it. But that's also self-limiting. We want people to start thinking about that era and that next step now. Who they really are, what are they leading from? I'm not sure if you've ever experienced this, but if you've had a leader who is more authoritarian, they deal in command versus true influence. That's probably coming from insecurity. That's probably coming from a lack of leadership identity, because executives, founders, CEOs, true visionaries who are tied to their true leadership identity, they don't need that. They don't need to shout. They don't need to bark. They don't need to make demands. They show up and people want to follow. They want to achieve. They want to listen. And so a leader who has a strong leadership identity really can move rooms, move organizations, and ultimately, what I hope is move industries and use all of this for a lasting legacy and not their own validation.